Hi, hey, hello, happy new year guys. I haven't been here sat in front of camera for absolute ages. As you can see, my background's changed, I moved, I'm in a different place now, so much white wall behind me. Anyways, I'm coming back with a makeup tutorial today, with a little persuasion from my friends yesterday. I've decided to do a little makeup tutorial, and I'm doing it especially for them because we've got a little history behind our makeup. I've always been the talented one and always did the makeup, and whenever we all came together we just sort of throwing all the makeup on the table and just doing it. So today I'm making a video for you guys, but also I'm making to my girls so they can just sort of sit down and watch me doing my makeup and hopefully learn something. So I've started with moisturizing my face. I've used my daily moisturizer. You go with whatever suits you. Throughout this video you will see products that you probably don't know the brands, but basically I just use whatever it's suitable for my skin, and I don't care about the brand or price point in that case. So I've done my moisturizing. Now I'm gonna go with primer, and I'm using a Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base because I like my makeup to be matte. So I'm just taking a bit, literally the tiniest bit, and I'm just buffing it in to the skin. Then I'm gonna go with my foundation, and it's the Catrice, once again, HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in color 03i Sun Beige. So I'm just taking this in and I'm putting it on my skin, just like Instagram videos. There we go. And I'm one of these people that use brush to buff my foundation in. I don't know how to use a beauty sponge, someone tell me. So I'm just working this foundation into the skin. Alright, we're done. So now I'm gonna grab my concealer. So I'm using this concealer. It's a liquid camouflage high coverage concealer, but they've also got a camouflage cream concealer, and basically it's the same product. This one is creamy, this one is liquid. Ow, I hit myself on it. Sorry, I've just been brutally cut by my dying battery. Alright, so the last bit I've ended was just buffing in my concealer. So now I'm gonna grab my Catrice loose powder, translucent matte, just tapping it away. And for this I actually like to use my beauty blender, which looks horrendous now, just to bake my under eye area, and just really leaving that powder underneath there. Alright, time to do my eyebrows. So before I set my face with powder, I like to do my eyebrows, because I like to do my face first but not say with powder, because then the product doesn't really sit that well on the face, but I find that it sits better on foundation before it's been powdered. So that's what I'm doing now. Right. There we go, and that's my eyebrow done. So I'm gonna draw the second one off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, my eyebrows are done. What I'm doing now, I'm just gonna settle my face. No, not this brush. I'm gonna settle the rest of my face with the same loose powder. Right, now I'm gonna be grabbing my trusty sculpting powder from a brand called Kobo. It's a professional matte bronzing and contouring powder in shade 311 Nubian Desert, and it's a very cool tone, like a kinda hot chocolatey color, but it's really cool tone, and I really like a cool tone bronzes for my face. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring. I really like a bronzy contouring because it's just not my skin color really. So I really like this one because it just gives me a nice soft shadow. And once this is done, we are moving on to eyes. Once again, getting Catrice Prime and Fine eyeshadow base to just prime my eyelids. Just putting a little bit of that product there and just spreading it out with my finger. Eyes is now primed and ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna go with my Toiva trio here. We've got Blank Fusion, Carmelange and Cocoa Blend palettes. They are my three favorite Toiva palettes out there. I've been using them since I've got them for my birthday. I've been using them pretty much every single day. So some of the colors are already wrecked, but that's okay. So to start with, I'm gonna go with my Carmelange palette, and I'm gonna go with this color here, which is called Universal Delight. And I'm gonna be using this color to make a first sort of base in my crease, just to make it easier to get all the other colors to blend out. Now I'm gonna be going to the Cocoa Blend palette, and I'm gonna be going with this color, which is called Beans Are White. Beans Are White, and this is the color I'm gonna be getting on a small round brush like that, and I'm just gonna be packing it in on my outer corner of the eye, really softly, just sort of tapping it in and spreading the color like that, so you get a nice little shadow. I've got so big in my eye. And I'm going back to the brush that I've used to put the crease color, and I'm just blending this out really softly, but I'm just blending out the outer corner of the shadow, so the inside corner is still kind of messy and rough, but we're going to be working it in with a different brush there and different color. Yes, now I'm going to be going with the Blank Fusion palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Joy in the Box, which is this one, and I'm once again just taking a nice buffing blending brush, a little bit bigger than what I had before, just taking that color and just extending the crease, just giving a little bit more of definition in here, and just blending that outer corner shadow a little bit more. And now I'm just going to be getting a flat fluffy brush like that, and just going back to the Blank Fusion palette, and I'm going with the color Noble, which is this white color, but actually it's a really nice goldy shimmery color, which is like duochrome. It's white and gold, so I'm just taking this color and just going in on the rest of the lid just to give the nice smoky eye moment. And just quickly taking that brush that I've just been using a second ago and just blending the outer edge there so we don't have a rough line on it. And there we go, very nice delicate smoky eye. What I'm gonna be doing now is I'm just gonna grab a small pencil brush and I'm just gonna go back to the Beans Are White color in the Cocoa Blend palette, and just taking that color and just giving a little lower lash shadow there, just to define the lower lash a little bit more. You can see what difference it already makes. And just taking once again that brush that I've used to blend the first color of the crease in and just smoking this out a little bit more. Alright, so the shadows are done. What I'm gonna be doing now is, and now I'm just going into my Catrice once again eyeliner. It's a Catrice liquid liner, waterproof, in color 010 Don't Leave Me, and it's my favorite liners. They do a non-waterproof ones, but they just smudge on my eyes way too easy, so I just prefer to go with the waterproof one. We're just gonna be going and doing a wing liner now. I think I'm just gonna leave a thin one like that. I usually go for thicker ones, but I'm actually quite liking this. So my wing liner is now done. Just need to go in with my mascara. For this I'm using a polish brand called Golden Rose, and it's a sexy black mascara, infinity volume and midnight black, and I think that's the color, sexy black. So it's got a funny brush like that, but I actually really like it because it goes all the way in there and just grabs every single hair separately, so it gives me the cover. I'm just gonna shut up. Okay, eyelashes are done. This means there's only 2 more steps left, and we're moving on to the really important ones, which is highlighter. So for mine, I'm just gonna, as I said, I use any brand as long as it does the job that I want. I'm using it, and I'm going with a Makeup Academy Undress Your Skin Shimmer Highlighted in Iridescent Gold, which looks like that, and basically it's got the same sort of tone that my what was it? my Noble eyeshadow from the Blanc Fusion. And I'm just gonna get a fan brush and just going in with that highlight. Ooh, yeah. See, I told you, you don't have to pay a lot of money to get the bling bling that you want. Just going in on the tip of my nose, a little bit on my forehead just to lighten up the skin, and then on my Cupid's bow. Actually, for this one I'm just gonna go with my finger just to intensify it a little bit more. And for my lips I'm gonna go with the Rimmel Matte Lipstick. I don't know if they're from the Kate Moss collection or they not, but it's the color 700, and it's just a beautiful matte nude, which is just gonna go perfectly with those eyes. And there we go. This makeup look is now complete. Alright, there you go guys, complete look. Let me know what you think about it. And you girls, you made me do this video, so you better do your own makeup and send me the pictures of what you came up with. There we go. Thank you very much guys for watching it. Let me know if you enjoyed and you want more makeup tutorials from a person that doesn't know what they do. Or let me know what other videos you will want me to do, and hopefully to see you in the next one. Bye.